Good morning, everyone. So, starting of a new day, and now, as you were seeing, I'm just entering a gate. So, through this gate, I'm entering to Vatican City. So, all of this that you can see is a part of Italy, Rome. But just after this gate, I'm just entering another new country. So, here I am. This is the first step to a new country called Vatican. There are water fountains everywhere, small shops, and beautiful architecture.
No one told me that growing up was so hard. I just need to escape for.
So now we are at the center, and this fence is dividing Italy with Vatican City. So the portion in the other side of that fence is Rome, the city of Rome. And here is the first look of the beautiful country called Vatican City. So this is where the Pope lives. So Pope Francis, and I remember there were many movies where this Vatican City which were filmed in Vatican City. I remember one Bond movie. Then there was a movie called Euro Trip. So finally, I'm here. All the dreams from the childhood at the age of 29. Here I am. I can't describe how happy I feel when I come to the cities where I always wanted to come, where I always dreamed about coming. So Italy and Vatican City done in summer 2022. Here's how a happy face looks like. So standing in front of the St. Peter's Basilica, and we can hear the bells. The bells are ringing. I hope it's 12 o'clock in the noon. So I think there will be 12 bells. And there are fountains like this from where you can just fill your bottles. All are potable waters. So we are entering this St. Peter's Basilica. There was a huge queue and we had to stand in the scorching sun. But at least the entrance here is free of cost because it's a basilica, and in Europe, for any basilica or church, entrance is always free to public.
Я вижу музей Кака. Надо купола камешки. Тоже Padėkoti vaikui Dievuliui už viską, padėkoti už šitas jo statulą, bet čia už gyvulėlę, ačiū viską. Čia Jono Paulius, čia taip pat už viską.
Where they're trying to vote a new pope.
check before I get up. If I get if you don't have I just yeah.
Il part avec sa valise. Et là, il retourne là, c'est un bon accueil.
So this castle is called Castle Saint Angelo, situated near to Vatican City and of course in Rome, Italy. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon and we are here to visit this beautiful castle.
Buff and right, where once we watched the smoke, we both fly. Our love was on their way, we dreamed some songs you sing.
Walking around in Italy, in Rome, next to Vatican City. So in front of me I can see the St. Peter's Basilica and it gives a grandeur view from here. It's really amazing how it looks from here. And there are different shops selling hats, fridge magnets and lots of other souvenirs. I bought few. I always buy some fridge magnets in whichever European city I visit. I have from Belgium, Amsterdam, from Germany I bought some. Now from Italy and Vatican City I bought two, which will go with me to India, but as of now it will be in France. Sticks to my fridge, but when I go to India it's going to go with me and it's going to be attached with my fridge forever.
Crying all day 'cause I have big problems. No one told me that growing up was so hard.